In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot step by step. Whether you're working with contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, knowing how to properly send emails directly from the CRM can save you time, keep your communication organized, and automatically log everything in one place. If you use HubSpot daily, this is a must-know feature. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first step is to open the CRM record of the person or company you want to contact. From your HubSpot dashboard, go to Contacts in the main navigation menu, then click on Contacts again from the dropdown. If you're emailing from a different object, you can also go to Companies, Deals, or Tickets, depending on where the record lives. Once you're in the correct section, search for or scroll to find the specific record you want to email and click on their name to open the full CRM record. Now that you're inside the record, you'll see the timeline view. This is where all activities like calls, notes, tasks, and emails are logged. At the top of this activity section, you'll see different tabs such as Notes, Email, Call, Task, and Meeting. Go ahead and click on the Email tab. This opens the one-to-one email composer directly inside HubSpot. Next, it's time to compose your message. At the top of the email window, you'll see the subject line field. Enter a clear and relevant subject line, just like you would in any regular email client. Below that, you can write the body of your email. This works very similarly to Gmail or Outlook, so you can type your message normally. One of the powerful advantages of sending emails from HubSpot is that you can use built-in tools to save time. You can insert pre-made templates if you have them set up, which is perfect for sales outreach or support replies. You can also add snippets for commonly used text blocks, attach documents, and insert meeting links. If needed, you can format your text, add hyperlinks, bold or italicized text, and structure your email so it looks clean and professional. Another important benefit is that the email will automatically log to the CRM record. This means anyone on your team can see the communication history without forwarding emails or copying and pasting conversations. Everything stays organized inside HubSpot. If you have multiple inboxes connected to HubSpot, you'll also want to choose the correct sender address before sending. To do that, look for the From drop-down field at the top of the email composer. Click on it, and you'll see the list of connected email accounts. Select the email address you want to send from. This is especially important if you manage multiple brands, departments, or personal inboxes within the same HubSpot account. Once you've written your message, reviewed a subject line, confirmed the sender address, and made sure everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button. That's it. Your one-to-one email will be sent directly through your connected inbox and automatically tracked inside HubSpot. Now, let's quickly talk about replying to emails. If a contact replies to your message and your inbox is properly connected, their response will appear in the same CRM record timeline. To reply, simply open the contact's record again, find the email thread in the activity feed, and click Reply. The composer will open with the conversation history included, and you can respond just like you would in your regular email client. When you hit send, the reply is logged automatically, keeping the full thread organized in one place. And that's how you send and reply to one-to-one emails in HubSpot. It's simple, powerful, and keeps your communication centralized so your entire team stays aligned. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.